We're gonna go see if we can catch some wipers at East Canyon. The water's really high this year, so the fishing should be good. We're just gonna fish right down here. Right down there, that's where we're gonna go. Guess we'll go park way over there on the other side and walk down.
Well, where's Uncle?
Right down there somewhere. We're gonna go park right here. Well, park right here. So my brother's already here. We're gonna go give it a shot. The weather's not too hot. It's perfect. And around 85, 86 degrees. And the wind is blowing. So it's not that hot. You can stay with him. You gonna go over there with him? I'm gonna set this up with a lure, with one of my favorite lures, and we're gonna cast. All right, see if we can catch some vipers. These vipers, they love this stuff. So let's try that. And if not, it don't work, then we'll have to go back to like night crawlers or something. There's some lots of smallmouth out here too, so we should be catching those too. Now, you ever wonder why I always carry the bucket? Makes a pretty good tackle box. And if you do catch them, put your cash in there, put your cash in there while you go back to your car. I mean, it's a chair for you to sit on. It's got multi-purpose. Hold your drinks, hold your bait, good for everything. Oh, got him. Hey, this one fight pretty good. Got him. Ow. I'm gonna crack my camera. Yeah, I think so.
Oh, she licked me again. She licked my...
It's just like, you sure they're not white bass? Yeah. East Canyon wipers. Kind of small. They're the size of a big white bass. Not very big. That'd be nice to catch it a 5 or 6 pounder. Well, right there, where I've been catching them. Yeah. Maru. Got him. Maru. Oh, don't go over there. Aren't you dug? Aren't you dug? Oh, small viper. Oh, man. Oh. Little tiny viper. Not very big.
You're gonna hit the car!
Made không được. Made không được à. Made được à. Không có. Way over there on the other side. You're gonna have to cast it over there. Put a big sinker on it. Put a big bobber on it. That's a viper, little tiny one. Oh, don't go over there. You're taking me over to the bushes again. Crap, man. Ugh. Too many cliffs here and too many trees. Snag in the trees, in the bushes. Well, they're all pretty much the same size. You mean there's some bigger than these? There's some in there that's bigger than this? Those big ones? Oh, here it is, little tiny one, size of a white bass. Ooh. 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 No. A lot of work for a little fish. Well, that didn't go far enough that time. Hey, still take it.
Again?
Yeah, it's taking it. Got him.
They're out in the middle.
Ooh, I feel like this one's a lot bigger.
Largemouth?
I don't know, it just feels like it's a lot bigger. Nah, probably the same size. Just feels like it's bigger because it swam the other way. Oh. To the trees again. Yeah. Oh, oh. Oh, it's all dirty now. Dirty.
On the pole.
Yeah.
Now look.
Got him, got him, got him, got him. Ooh, this one's running all the way over there, man. Oh, come on. Don't go over there. Go that way. Other way, other way, other way. Oh, shit. Get me all tangled up again in the trees. Oh, yeah, there's one way to do it. Just pull them up. Yeah. They're all the same size. Small. Oh, look at that. I got one. I got one. I got one. Tiny one. Took my worm.
This way. Yeah, I like that way. This way. My right hand. Look west. Mine says look west. Oh no. That way. I just stop. I look over there.
Okay, Simon, step aside. Oh shit, dude. It just dropped over there. I took it already. Still on. No, it just barely dropped over there. Just cast it, dropped over there, took it already.
No, Blimmer, that's impossible. You could have made Albert laugh. You could have tickled Isaac. No, she was saying, yes, she was doing that. Okay, fine. That counts. You're both allowed to. Let's go.
This one's a fighter.
I was nowhere. I was nowhere. Okay, you're just horrified.
Oh, my problem is I can't cast against the wind.
Okay, where do you want me to put them?
Put it right over there and find my cooler.
I know!
Oh, there you go. Oh, oh, got him, got him, got him. Took long enough to rig that one up. Oh, this is a little tiny one. Yeah. Real small, just like a little white bass.
Oh my God, I'm
I said, as I think about reeling it in, there's already a fish in there.
Did you see everyone's running?
No, he didn't even do nothing.
There's a bass.
Same thing. I gotta try to walk it off of the. Is that you, a bobber, right there?
Yep.
I had to walk it off the other side.
It just went. It's gone.
I take my shoes off first. Simon said, get in the freaking tent, you dummy. Simon said,
Walk it over to the open area right here so I can land it. Oh, come on.
yes.
It is kind of getting cold. Yeah, they're all
Yeah, but stay right there, boy.
they're all pretty much the same size.
Shoes on the wrong foot.
Oh, come on, man. I'm gonna go in there and get stuck in there. Oh, dude. Got away and he got me a snag down there. He got away, left me a snag. The heck? Oh man. Ugh. Well, I had to go in there. Hopefully I don't fall in the water. Ugh. Come on. No. You're gonna have to tie a new hook on. Broke the hook off. Ah, man. Hey, I should have just pulled the fish up.